Hello students, how are you? What is position nowadays? I think you sure will be fine students. Today I am discussing some new thing because last year you has completed your class 7 and nowadays you all students are students as a class 8. So students, as you all of know that I am a teacher of your SST teacher. So today I am going to discuss with you firstly a SST, a subject which is a democratic politics. So student, today we are going to discuss about democratic politics, and in democratic politics you should know what is the name of first chapter. Then student, the name of first chapter is the Indian Constitution. It is the your lesson first. In politics, this is the lesson first, Indian Constitution. So, we try to understand what is the Constitution. If we are going to study up this lesson, first we try to understand the meaning of this lesson, Constitution. Indian Constitution. Many type of constitution has been made in different country. So students, when we are going to understand about constitution, then in here we can say that a written document in which we find some rules to manage each situation of country, that we can say as a constitution. That means a specific document where has been written all type of rule, regulation, how should manage the position of our country, what is the position, how should we appointment to different type of placeholder. For example, you can say our president, our PM, prime minister, CM, district level of authority, and many other also you can say. That every system has been defined, every system has been systematically organized, has been written in your constitution. That means students, in here according to your book, one or two step we try to understand. First we have to understand about constitution. Then constitution you have to already understand, it is the document where has been defined different type of rule and law for managing our country systematically. Now students, in here we try to understand second point, why we need constitution. Actually, why constitution is important to our country. That means if any country has no constitution, what to be position of that country? Or without constitution, any country cannot run simultaneously, cannot run perfectly. So students, in here I want telling to you, constitution give different types of power, give different types of authority to many placeholder. For example, your IS and PCS authorities who are governing your countries, which has been given direction to our high level authority, for example PM, CM, district level municipal corporation authority. So everything your constitution told you, every place's constitution, a defined document, they told. When we are going to discuss about our constitution, in here it's important we should understand something about Indian Constitution. Then students, in Indian Constitution, which has been founded or written especially by our very famous politician, a socialist, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is a very largest and best constitution of the world. This has given different type of chance and opportunity to all Indians, all citizens, all persons to get all chances which has been given our country authority. That means each person have equal right and authority. That has been given our constitution. Many type of rule, regulation. For example, a very important thing our constitution has given, that is a fundamental right. Students, fundamental right is the very important right which has been given by our constitution to all citizens. They can do different type of work, they can get different type of opportunity by our country. So students, today we are discussing many things about Indian Constitution, our Constitution. So in here we have to try understand what is power, what is system of appointment, how we can elect our president, what is the election commission, what is the election commission, what is the power of election commission, that everything also has been defined only our constitution. So students, today it is the simple as a foundation discussion of our constitution, and you can say it is the first lesson. So I am telling to you about something base. So student, you try to understand your books, try to make your notes, and how you can manage everything about constitution. Make some questions and answer. I like very much if you will do so. And so students, thank you very much. So listening this, and students, I want told you, I think next day I will discuss with you some important features of Indian Constitution. Students, Indian Constitution, which already I have told you, very best and largest constitution of the world. So next day I will discuss with you features of Indian Constitution. Thank you very students. Thank you very much to all.